How's it going, everyone? So today I'm going to talk about how to run faster and longer for beginners. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, if you're interested in online personal training from me, simply comment below in the comments section. I will get back to you guys with more details. So the best way to run longer without getting tired is to condition your body, you guys. If you try and run and you're not used to it, you will feel tired, you guys. The key to running longer without getting tired is to make sure that you give your body time to get used to the long distances that you are putting it through. For example, if you are used to running for 2 miles and you try to run for 25 miles, your body will fail almost instantly. Instead, try running for 3 miles, then 4 miles, then 5 miles. Slowly allow your body over time to adapt to the new distances. Over time, 10 miles, 15 miles, and 20 miles will be a breeze. But again, everything takes time. Make sure you give your body lots of time to adapt. Proper hydration. Make sure you are drinking at least 2 to 3 liters of water a day. If you are running longer periods of time, you guys are going to need more. Go by thirst and the color of your pee. If your pee is super yellow, that's not good. If your pee is a light yellow to clear, that's good. And if you are thirsty, make sure you're drinking more, you guys. It's as simple as that. Use proper breathing when you are running. Breathe in through your nose and then exhale through your mouth. So breathe in through your nose, then exhale through your mouth. Don't hold your breath. This is a common mistake beginners make, and it can tire you out and gas you very, very easily, you guys. Next tip, train in other types of sports as well. Participate in soccer, basketball, squash, swimming, boxing. Don't just do all of your training by running. Incorporate other sports. This will make things a lot funner and a lot easier to do. Plus, it will condition your body a lot faster as opposed to just running, you guys. So those are the tips that I recommend. If you guys have any other questions, comment below. I will answer them. Thank you so much for watching. End the video.